Welcome to a practical joke that I used to pull on my husband. I always have his coffee ready and waiting on him. You guys recognize this stuff, right? We'll chime his blood pressure up a point or two. What do you guys think?
Does anybody here please raise your hand?
Hey folks, it's Angie from Life and More Reloaded. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome to a practical joke that I used to pull on my husband quite often, that I haven't done in a while, that I'm going to get him on. I'm a good wife, and when my husband comes home in the evenings, I always have his coffee ready and waiting on him. And he does cream and sugar in his coffee, and yes, he uses about a half a cup of sugar and cream with his cup of coffee. But anyway, that's beside the point. What I've got in here is just some regular cream, right? Well, you guys recognize this stuff, right? Yep, just some good old-fashioned salt. Salt. Let's, yeah. Oh, come on, let's make it worthwhile. Hold on, it's hard to do this one-handed. We'll chime his blood pressure up a point or two. What do you guys think? Okay? Now I mix that with the creamer so that whenever I run the coffee, he can't tell. Okay? Now, I'm going to go ahead and brew this up. Get my little button over here. And I'll be back when it's done. Alright, so, got it brewed up. You guys see. Looks like a regular cup of coffee. Oh, but it don't taste like a regular cup of coffee. Yep. I used to do this to him whenever we worked together. Used to get so mad. So, the end of this video may have a lot of bleeping out, but it's going to be so worth it. Alright, so there's his coffee. Not only is it going to be cold, it's going to be salty. Yeah, he ain't going to like that when he gets home. I'll bring you back when he's home, though. Okay, you guys, he just texted with the 10-minute warning. I'm going to go put this coffee in his normal spot, which is over here by his spot on the sofa. So, alright, you guys, I'll bring you back whenever he gets home.
Does anybody here please raise your hand? Is there anybody here that insists that we and should
You want your real coffee? Here you go. How'd you like that coffee? Was it good? Oh, me.